Hello everyone. Today I am going to make one short seminar about the topic sun. By studying these two books, that is Knowledge Encyclopedia and Visual Dictionary, many of you all have these two in your. By studying, you can take many informations about the sun. First thing, how sun is formed. And second thing is, what is the age of the sun? What is solar eclipse? And many more questions will be in our minds. Sun is formed by the hydrogen gas that radiates heat and light and generates power by nuclear fusion. Age of the sun is 4.6 billion years and average distance from the earth is 93 million miles. As earth is third planet from the sun, Mercury and Venus are first and second planets from the sun. As sun takes its rays take 8 minutes to reach earth. As the midpoint is called core of the sun, it takes 1 lakh years to release energy which should travel from core of the sun to the surface of the sun. As stars are far away from the earth, sun is the closest star to the earth. That is 93 million miles is the distance between earth and the sun. Like all stars, the sun is a ball of hydrogen gas that radiates heat and light. It generates power by nuclear fusion. Atoms are rammed together, producing nuclear energy. Every second, the sun converts some 4 million tons of matter into energy. Earth orbits the sun at the distance ideal for terrestrial life, provided that Earth's atmosphere protects us from the sun's heat and deadly radiation. The sun is the third generation star composed of recycled elements from two previous stars. It is about 74% of hydrogen and 25% helium with traces of iron, carbon, calcium and sodium. These same elements are found in planet Earth and in our bodies and in a human body. If the Earth's gravity is 1, compared to the sun, the gravity of sun is 28, means in number it is 28. If compared to the earth is in the number of 1. So earth has less gravity than the sun. Sun can also attract other planets or some things near that. Sun has some spots called sunspots. Corona, outer atmosphere of extremely hot diffuse gas. Moon covers sun's disk. And when light from the sun travels directly from the moon and the shadow of the moon will come on the earth, the region of earth from which partial eclipse is visible is here at this point. This eclipse is called a solar eclipse. We cannot see this earth from our naked eyes because the harmful UV rays of the sun can affect our eyes and damage and can cause blindness. Here is another definition that the sun is a nearly perfect sphere of hot glowing gas. Its source of power lies buried deep in the center core where a nuclear furnace racks non-stop turning matter into pure heat and light. Slightly bigger than a typical star, the Sun is large enough by volume to swallow 1.3 million Earths. It contains 99.8% of all the matter in the solar system, and the force of gravity generated by this enormous mass keeps the planets trapped in orbit around it. Seen from Earth, the Sun is a life-sustaining source of light and warmth that shines steadily on us. Closer views, however, reveals a world of astonishing violence. Its seething surface bursting with vast eruptions that hurl fiery gases into space. These are called as gas loops, which is formed in Sun, and it is sunspot. Gas looped prominence. It is this prominence is here, this one, and inner atmosphere is called as chromosphere. The visible surface, which is this one, it is called photosphere. Like all objects in space, the Sun rotates unlike Earth, which rotates as a solid object. The Sun is a ball of gas and turns at different speeds in different places. The equator takes 25 Earth days to rotate once, but the polar regions take 34 days. It is here. But the Earth takes only 24 hours. Like this, Sun rotates and Earth also. Thanks. This was one small introduction about the Sun. Thanks for watching this video.